So let's read this question first. Integers are listed from 700 to 1000. In how many integers is the sum of the digits 10? So this is a question from the topic number system. If you want to watch the full lecture on number system, I will be adding the link for that lecture video in the description box. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So here we have the integers from 700 to 1000 and we need to see how many integers are there such that their sum of the digits is 10. So if you are getting these kind of questions, just try to write the numbers, whichever numbers are possible. So we know that, so we will see how many integers are there from 700 to 799 with the sum of digits 10. Then we will see how many integers are there from 800 to 899 such that their sum of digits is 10. And again from 900 to 1000, how many integers are there? We'll see like that. Okay. So we know that 703, the sum of digits is 7 plus 0 plus 3, it's 10. Then 730 will also, it's also a possibility. Then we have 721 is a possibility, right? 712 is also a possibility. So these are the possibilities which comes in 700 to 799. So now let's see 800 to 899. So there will be 811 is a possibility because 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. Then 820 is a possibility. Again 802 is also a possibility. So there are three possibilities. Now from 900 to 1000 we have 901 is a possibility and 910 will be a possibility. So there are this much number of possibilities such that the sum of digits is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the right answer. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and support the channel. Thank you.